Now, during his Ahmedabad visit yesterday, the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, while addressing his party Karyakartas, claimed that the Congress and the India bloc had defeated veteran BJP leader LK Advani's Mandir movement. Rahul Gandhi, who was referring to the recently concluded Lok Sabha elections in which the opposition bloc candidate Avdesh Prasad defeated BJP's Lallu Singh from Faizabad with houses the Ram Mandir, saying that this time it will be a comeback also for the Congress in the state of Gujarat.
जो मूवमेंट अडवाणी जी ने चालू की थी, उस मूवमेंट को जिसका सेंटर अयोध्या था, उस मूवमेंट को इंडिया गठबंधन ने अयोध्या में हरा दिया है.
But as far as the BJP is concerned, because the BJP is now hit back with the state home minister slamming the leader of the opposition, saying that for Rahul Gandhi, Ram has always been imaginary, but for Indians, Ram is a matter of faith. Other BJP leaders too have slammed Rahul Gandhi's remark on Ayodhya. Listen in.
जिस प्रकार से भगवान राम जी उनके लिए मात्र एक कल्पना है, लेकिन मेरे देशवासियों के लिए भगवान राम जी वो एक सबसे बड़ी आस्था का केंद्र है.
राहुल गांधी का हिंदू विरोध और हिंदू नफरत अब सर चढ़कर बोल रहा है. 99 सीटें क्या आ गई तो इस प्रकार का अहंकार. राहुल गांधी ने गुजरात में बोला है कि जिस मूवमेंट को अडवाणी जी ने शुरू किया था, जिसका सेंटर अयोध्या था, इसका मतलब राम जन्मभूमि आंदोलन की बात कर रहे हैं, उस मूवमेंट को हमने, इंडिया अलायंस ने अयोध्या में हरा दिया. पहले तो राहुल गांधी जी, आप फैजाबाद की सीट जरूर जीते हैं, अयोध्या की विधानसभा में भाजपा को लीड है.
Lord Ram is in the hearts of Indian people. It is not something that can be settled in a constituency. The fact of the matter is, Faizabad is a parliamentary constituency and the relevant assembly segment is Ayodhya, where Bharatiya Janata Party has been in the lead. So I wish he did his homework properly before making statements that the Ayodhya movement has been nullified.
For Rahul Gandhi, Ayodhya or Ram Mandir is a political issue, whereas it's issue of faith for the countrymen. Advani ji started that yatra or the movement for the faith of this country, relating it to the faith of the hundreds of crores of Indians who believe in Ram. But for Rahul Gandhi, it's issue of elections.
Isha is with us right now. Isha, such kind of remarks that have now been coming in as far as Rahul Gandhi's statement is concerned to his party Karyakartas, and also saying that the Ram Mandir movement that has been defeated by the BJP, but also saying that it will be soon that the Congress party will be making a comeback in the state of Gujarat.
Yes, Amita. So Rahul Gandhi made this statement in Gujarat. He was addressing his party Karyakartas. In fact, he was referring to the movement that LK Advani started in 1990. It was the movement for the Ram Temple. That is the movement that he was referring to. In fact, the BJP, while they were campaigning for the election, the Ram Mandir was a major part of their election campaign, and the fact that it was built after many years was spoken about in their election campaign a lot. And now that the Faizabad constituency seat has been lost by the BJP and the opposition candidate from Samajwadi Party won that seat, the Congress has come out all guns blazing at the BJP. In fact, Rahul Gandhi also stated that this is exactly what will happen if you snatch away people's lands and build airports instead of giving homes. So that is what the attack of Rahul Gandhi is. But BJP on the other side has been attacking the Congress yet again, attacking Rahul Gandhi, stating that he has always been anti-Hindu, anti-Ram, and he's made these statements time and again. For him, Ram is just a means for gaining political mileage, but nothing else. That is what the BJP has been stating. In fact, senior BJP leaders, which does include Shahzad Poonawalla, Tom Vadakkan, RP Singh have come out and attacked Rahul Gandhi. In fact, Rahul Gandhi was in Gujarat after there was an alleged attack on the Congress office as well. So that is where he was addressing his party karyakartas. He also stated that in 2017 the Gujarat elections are due, and he and the Congress party will be successful in wiping out the BJP from there as well. But to give our viewers a little bit more context, Gujarat is where the Prime Minister was the Chief Minister for multiple years. So Rahul Gandhi making that claim and stating that he will now further stake claim in Gujarat's government as well has come out as well, which now the BJP will also be responding to. But again, time will tell if actually Rahul Gandhi can deliver on these promises that he has made so far. And now the BJP, but time will only tell. But BJP stating that definitely the Faizabad constituency was won by Rahul Gandhi, by the opposition, but in Vidhan Sabha, BJP is still leading.
Absolutely. So here is the BJP countering the Mandir movement remark that has been made by Rahul Gandhi while addressing his party karyakartas in Gujarat yesterday.